So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to find the execution time of a program within the Scilab. So how we can do that? First of all, you can open your Scilab and then under this file you can see this launch Sci nodes. Click on it. Okay, now you can see that we have our window open. We can also go to file and click on new if we like. After this has been done, so here we will write tick command. Okay, first we need to write tick command and then we can write talk command. Now this tick will actually starts counting the execution time of a program, and when all the statements that lies within these tick and talk will be finished, then talk will give us the answer that how much time has been passed in seconds. So here we will write a is equal to 1. Okay, like a is equal to 1. So now we will run it out. Okay, save and execute. We can give it the name tick and click on save. Now we will go and we can run it out. And one more thing, that we will get the answer. Okay, we will get the answer from this talk function, so we have to display that answer. So we have written this and answer, and the result will be displayed on our console, that is the command window. So now we will run it out, save and execute, and here we got 0.000017 seconds. Okay, now we will go and we will do one more thing, that is we will add multiple statements like t is equal to 2000 and y is equal to 9000. These are just random statements that how much we want. Okay, so we will write c is equal to 90 and like this. So now we will press execute, save and execute, and what will be the answer? It is 0.000043. So here we can see that we have consumed a bit more time because there are more statements. So in this way we can find the execution time of a program or a code with the help of Scilab. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.